morning, dear students. I welcome you all in the online computer class. Today, we are going to continue lesson number 1, Introduction to HTML. From my last video, we learned some HTML tags. Today, we are going to implement these tags practically. So, are you ready? Let's start. From the desktop, open Notepad icon by clicking on it. Then type the HTML code given in your textbook. This is start of HTML. This is end of HTML. This is start of head, end of head. In title tag, title about rainbow is given, which will be displayed in title bar of the browser window. This is start of body tag. Heading 1, H1 is rainbow written in capital letters. This is end of heading tag. Then two paragraphs are typed. This is starting of first paragraph, ending of first paragraph, starting of second paragraph, ending of second paragraph. This is end of body tag. Now let us save this HTML code. Click File, Save. Children, this is our first HTML code listing. So we will enter file name as p1.html. Note that compulsory extension has to be given as HTML or HTM. I have created a folder on the desktop named 10th computer. In that folder, I will save this file. Now click on save button. Now minimize notepad. You will see p1.html. Double click on that file. You will see the output. Children, do you remember we had written about rainbow in title tag present in head section? This title will be displayed on the title bar of the browser. We had written rainbow within H1 tag. We had written two paragraphs within different paragraph tags. Here, name of the file will appear p1.html. Now again we will go in Notepad and make a new file. Click on File, New. A new blank file will appear. Now type this HTML code showing all 6 heading styles available in HTML. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Start of HTML, end of HTML. Start of head, end of head. About rainbow is given within title tags. Start of body tag, start of H1, end of H1. Start of heading 2, end of heading 2. Start of H3, end of H3. Start of H4, end of H4. Start of H5, end of H5 and start of H6, end of H6. In all these 6 levels of heading, rainbow word is written in between. Now, let us save this HTML code with the name as p2.html. Now, let us execute this HTML code. You will see p2.html file. Double click on that file. You will see the output. The browser displays the contents of H1, H2 and H3 elements larger. The content of H4 element is similar to our default content size, while the content of H5 and H6 elements are smaller in size. Now we will again open p1.html in Notepad. I'll copy second paragraph again. Select it first. Press Ctrl C. Ctrl V for paste. Now in this copied paragraph, I will put multiple blank spaces and press multiple times enter key. Now save this file with the name as p3.html. And execute it. In the browser window, we will see that multiple white spaces will be considered as a single space and the effect of multiple enter key is nullified. The text will automatically take up full width of the screen. Here we can see that second paragraph and the copied paragraph, even after adding multiple spaces and multiple enter keys, look alike. Now we will study the use of BR tag, that is break tag, in p1.html file. I will insert one BR tag here, two BR tags, whereas here three BR tags. BR tag does not have an opening and closing tag. Such tags are called as empty tags. Save this file and execute it. We can see that the BR tag, that is break tag, pushes the coming text into the next line. Here I had entered one BR tag. So the remaining content came on next line. Here I had entered two BR tags. So one line was left blank and then on the next line the contents appeared. Here I had given three BR tags. So two lines were left blank and then on the next line the remaining contents appeared. Now we will see the use of five more tags: bold, underline, italics, strike through and typewriter font. Open p1.html file again in Notepad. The first sentence we will enter in bold using bold tag, that is B, start of bold tag and end of bold tag. Second sentence we will underline using underline tag, start of underline, end of underline. Third sentence we will write in italics using italics tag, start of italic, end of italic tag. Fourth sentence we will use strike through using strike through tag, that is start of S tag, end of S tag. And in fifth sentence we will write in typewriter font using TT tag, start of typewriter font tag and end of typewriter font tag. Now save this file with the name p5.html and execute it. We can see that the first sentence appears in bold. The second sentence appears with underlined letters. The third sentence appears in italics letters. In the fourth sentence, a thin line appears throughout the text as if the sentence is cancelled. Strike through. And the fifth sentence appears in typewriter type of fonts. Lastly, we will study what is pre-formatted text. Tag for pre-formatted text is PRE within angular brackets. Any text between the opening PRE tag and closing PRE tag will preserve the format of the given content. For example, again open p1.html file in Notepad, type PRE here, that is pre-formatted text starts from here. Then rainbow consists of 7 colors. Leave one line blank. On next line, leaving some space. Type, these are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Again leave one line. Then on the next line, leaving some space, type, they are also acronymed as WIPCure. Then this is end of pre-formatted text. Save this HTML code with file name as p6.html and execute it. We can see that in the browser the text appears as it is along with the given indentations. First, rainbow consists of 7 colors, leaving one line, then leaving some space here. These are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Again leaving one line here, again leaving some spaces, and then they are also acronymed as WIPCure. So today we studied 6 levels of heading tags: BR tag, bold tag, underline tag, italics tag, strike through tag, typewriter font tag, and pre-formatted text tag. Next time we will study other HTML tags. Thank you. Have a good day.